You've brought the best memories ever, no denying it. Nah, everybody knows I'm the luckiest man. What is good, Team 6? Whoa, what a mess. Okay, so we are mad delayed once again on orders, but guess what? Today is the day where we're getting it done. AimHighClothing.com orders and 6foot4honda.com orders are all going out today. Today is Tuesday, so if you're watching this on Tuesday, they got sent out today. I apologize again. Like I said in the other video, guys, I may look for someone to fulfill orders for me, or I'm gonna close my shop because I'm just swamped and it's tough. So I don't know, we'll see where that goes. Stay tuned for that, but I do want to get some new designs for Aim High Clothing. That will stay for sure. Yo, 6 foot, why don't you shave, man? You haven't shaved in like 2 weeks. Well, guess what? I don't want to shave, okay? So don't judge me, I'm just gonna do my thing. I'm gonna go back to my orders, guys. Still looking for new designs, man. A lot of people that try to contact me for designs, they flop, so. Hey, the orders, guys, are done. Obviously, I didn't record too much inside the house, but I just have a few more in the house. This bike right now, the stunt bike, it's dead, so we may have to bring it back to life. I kind of quickly checked, and I don't know where the battery, or how to get into the battery. So, we'll have to figure that out, but I'm just gonna load up a little more and we're gonna leave and send out all the Aim High orders. As far as 6 foot orders, I did not have time right now. I'm going to do it hopefully before I leave to LA. Whoa, this one's heavy. Shout out to this guy. He ordered like 6 shirts and hoodies all together. That thing's like 6 pounds. Where am I looking? Oh, the camera's right there. Whew. Okay, that's done. Now we gotta grab Canadian orders. And this one can sit here, this one can sit here. Okay, now we just gotta change our damn, I'm literally wearing motorcycle shoes, guys. They're easy to slip on, so I'm wearing that, but we're gonna go ahead and grab the other kicks. And I wanna get a haircut today too. I wanna get one before I go to LA. Always gotta be careful. There's not really, it's a 2-car garage, but there's, and there goes the phone. But there's not much room, so we gotta do what we gotta do to get through the garage issues. But bike 1, bike 2, bike 3.
Said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it.
So while driving, there was a cop that was running all these red lights and everything, and he stopped over there. So let's see what he stopped for. Like, he was legit like speeding through traffic, making people pull over and stuff. Don't tell me it's just construction. Oh, damn. Did he just pull someone over? Did he? Yo, this man booked a bunch of red lights to pull him over? He legit just flew by just to pull him over. That is weird, man. I don't know what that, like, he must have had his info or something, because he literally knew what car he was looking for. I don't know. Alright, guys, we made it to the first shipping location. And we're shipping out the big batch right here. The big bodies have been sent out, guys. We're gonna go to Shoppers and maybe grab some food. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I'm getting, but I haven't gotten it in a very long time. So if you want to guess in the comments before I get there, I'll be reading through the comments to see if anyone's right. Just remember, I haven't gotten it in a very long time, and it's not like an American type of food or Canadian type of food. It's more ethnical. So let's read the comments and see if you guys can guess. Now we got to send out 1, 2, 3, and the envelope 4, and we're going off. Remember, guys, AimHighClothing.com and 6foot4honda.com. Please expect delays, especially now that I'm going to LA. If you want to grab one of my helmets that I wear, VossHelmetsUSA.com. slash 6'4" Honda. What else can we talk about? Nothing, let's go. We are pulling up. I'll show you this part. Oh, does this place look familiar? What are we getting, ladies and gentlemen, to eat? I'm going to order it before I deliver more packages, just so they have time to make it, and then I'll go back there and pick up the food right away, so it's ready for me right away. You guys have literally just a few seconds left to guess, and then it's time to reveal the secrets. And just a heads up, it is not Burger King. No, I ripped my shoe. What the freak? No! It tore out. There's a piece of the threading that just pulled out. Anyways, you guys see this camera, right? Boom, there's another one right there. If you guessed Fat Bastard, you are completely right. We're getting ourselves a nice burrito. Now let's quickly rush. Oh, this goddamn phone. Hello.
Hi. Sport car.
Sport car, yeah. Yeah.
I just got that.
Oh, nice.
I'm too old for that.
No one's too old for a sports car like this.
You've brought the best memories ever, no denying it. Nah, everybody knows I'm the luckiest man.
First of all, shout out to those two cops. The chick was actually trying to get a taser in her belt and stuff. I was kind of eavesdropping, you know what I mean? But that lady that stopped to talk to me, guys, she was literally talking to me for like 25 minutes, 30 minutes, and I was gonna go send my stuff out before I grabbed food, but by the time she was done, my food was getting cold, so I had to go right back in there, and it was awkward because I shook her hand. We started talking our language because apparently she's from where I am. I shook her hand, say goodbye, and we just both awkwardly started walking towards Fat Bastard, and she went to the bank. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna talk for another 2 minutes. But she's cool. She said she really likes my car. She gave me some really cool advice. If you're ever feeling tired and not wanting to work, just remember, the feeling of being tired is what got you what you wanted and got you the toys that you wanted, got you everything you have. So being tired is a good thing. I guess it depends on how tired, or you know, you can't really overkill it. But long story short, man, like if you're not tired, you're doing it wrong, in my opinion. And by the sounds of it, she was right. Do I have my key? Is it in my pocket? Yes, it is. All right, we're Gucci. Getting out of this car is always a bitch. All right, these 3 packages, or 4, are leaving. We'll see you once it's done. Guys, why did you not tell me it was going to rain? There's drops all over the damn car. I'm kind of wet, and the weather says it's like all sun, so I don't understand why, but this part of the sending has been officially completed. I do want to charge the bike up, the stunt bike up, to see if I can get it running again. And what else? We've got to do one more thing before we go home. Grind. I wasn't here last time. When I get out, this is a tank. I will tell you when I get out of it why I'm here. I can't go home in this. The Camaro tires can't handle it. It knocked over a sign. The wind is insane. Oh, that truck better have not hit my car. Gotta make a run for it. Never mind, I'll wait. Shout out to Apple's weather app. You guys are amazing. It wasn't supposed to rain. I'm like, okay, let's go. The clouds were a little bit whatever, but I'm like, all right, the app says no, the app says no. Guess what? We're stuck. The thunder is insane. Wind is taking out towers and shit, man. The apocalypse, zombies are coming out. Help me. Guys, look, it's literally a pool. Holy crap. You got a minivan, bro, go right through it. But damn. There's no way I'm going on the highway. I'm taking the long way. I'm taking like the streets and stuff because the highway is probably, holy crap. I've never like this. This is mad, guys. Some cars, literally, their tires go underwater. You don't even see the tires. And I don't like this. I don't like being in this situation with this car. So I'm gonna call you when I get home, or call you. I'm gonna see you when I get home. It's looking a lot more bright now, guys. Look, sky is looking nice and blue. Heading back home, gotta take care of the dogs because Sydney's always scared like mad from thunder, but it's not thundering here. Maybe I didn't even catch it here, I don't know. It is wet on the ground, but maybe there was no thunder, so maybe Sydney's A-okay, but I'm gonna go check on her anyways. Okay, so I thought I was recording the whole time. I completely wasn't, so the bike's pulled out. I'm kind of cheesed because I had some funny moments. We got the charger ready, and we're gonna charge up the bike and see if it's gonna be the battery issue, which I'm assuming it is. Because if it's not, then oh, but if it is, then hey, you know what I mean? So, obviously the car is not parked in here, it's parked out in the front, and we're going to find out if the battery is the issue. And first we gotta find out how to get into the battery. Now, for the 600, it's like one here, for the newer bikes, it's like one here, one here, one here, one here. But this is next level, like one full seat. So I'll have to just Google it quick time. I'm not gonna waste my time trying to figure it out, and then get back to you guys once I have the battery open. So there goes 6 foot overthinking again, guys. I actually unscrewed this fairing. I was gonna unscrew this side. All I had to do was put the key into the trunk. I didn't even realize the trunk was in the back. And then the seat came out. But I just realized this man has a garage, or had a garage opener linked to his bike. So if I ever want to steal his bike or stuff from his garage, I could easily go there and do that because I have his address. He left his ownership as well. But I won't do that because I am a good boy and he's a subscriber. So please don't, I'm sorry, I love you. So to get to the battery, all you have to do is pretty much pop this out like this. This one didn't have a pin, but this one did have a pin. So it was just like pinned in and stuff. So that's, if you have a bike like this, I guess there you go, is how you do it. There's a bunch of shit here. And I'm just going to set up the charger and hopefully the bike starts. So let's find out a little bit later. I'm gonna let it charge and go inside, but for now, let's hook it up. And hopefully it reaches. Let's find out if it reaches. It's going, the charger's working. Hopefully everything is working. We gotta find out if this puppy starts. And for now, we'll just do cocksucking faces, is what like everybody calls thumbnails. Ah, the garage. The damn sunlight. I don't think 6 foot has the patience, so he's literally, we gotta, I don't wanna mess nothing up, man. We're gonna be patient, hopefully it works. Actually, I'm sure, I'm not gonna turn it on. Okay. It did not do that when I was trying to transport the bike, so that's definitely good news. Shout out to the toolbox that I bought that came in handy. And shout out to the trickle charger, I think was what it's called. Making that great noise. All right, family, I'm going to move the car into the garage, meaning I'm gonna move the bikes kind of away, tucked in. Hopefully you can still charge it. It's only been around half an hour, 45 minutes. And, hello? The charger still goes, so that's good. I'm gonna put the car in the garage. I'm not gonna turn the bike on, I'm just gonna move the charging unit and everything maybe to that side and charge it again for like another 2 hours and then turn it on and hopefully it works. My mood just went down 1,000,000%. So I did move in the car. It's still charging. We'll turn it on and see if it's alive a little bit later. But I found one of the biggest damages I've had on this car so far just now. And my mood is just pooped. I don't know what to say. I totally forgot to explain why I went to the tanning salon. Everybody complains about cancer and stuff. I have this thing, I don't know what it is. Like, I have this rash on my back, and I've been going to doctors and special doctors about, like, you know, the dermatologists and everything, and they don't know what the hell it is. They prescribe me a bunch of stuff, and some stuff is like, don't go in the sun, don't do this, because like the side effects and stuff. But I find that if I go in the sun, it kind of removes it, at least temporarily. So that's why I went tanning just a little to get rid of that rash. Guys, I'm not even gonna vlog anymore, man. I'm legit like, I don't know how it would have happened. I gotta figure that out. And I know, I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. You too, mama, come here. No? Okay. Anyways, guys, love, respect. I'm gonna go. Take it easy. Wish me luck. What? Wish me luck, guys. I'm gonna play some Battle Unknown Player Battleground. I don't remember the game it's called, but it's pretty fun. Gilroy Vlogs actually, or Gilroy. Your jaw is like deadly. And if I put my hand in there, wait, hey, no jumping. Yeah, gentle. I love you. Goodbye.